Hello, family. How y'all doing? Have y'all ever tasted y'all tuna fish with ranch? You talking about good. Sprinkle you some ranch after you put your mayo. I put a little mustard, a little radish, a little lemon pepper, and I put like a teaspoon of sugar. But you talking about with the ranch, it is really, really good if you use ranch with it. Just any kind of creamy ranch dressing on your tuna fish. You will love it. And y'all know I love to cook. Love to eat, love to cook. Love to travel. Love to have fun. Love family. Love everybody. Some you love from a distance, but you gotta love everybody. Business boss housewife. So that's what we're gonna have tonight. Last night we had that walk on. It was a hot mess. And kissing me. No, that was another part of Orlando. This morning we did IHOP. It was real nice. Met a young lady, Miss Dominique at IHOP. She was such a beautiful soul. She was telling me about YouTube, Instagram, and everything else she's been doing. 37 years old. She's her own boss. She do hair. She do professional hair. Also, she does art and she sells supplies. And that's Dominique. I'm going to connect it up to my site so you all can buy some of her products. But she is a queen that's making moves. Let's support each other. I love you guys. Business Boss Housewife Brenda Till 911 on YouTube. That's how you get your blessings. Follow her.